In today's video, I'll show you how to change your cursor on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to search and you have to search for control panel and open up control panel from the best match. Just expand this. Make sure view by is set to large icons from here. And after that, just go inside mouse. And from mouse, what you have to do is just go to pointers. And from here, you can go ahead and click on browse. And you gotta find a bunch of options to change your cursor to. For example, this rotating one is cool, so I'll just click on open. Then click on apply and click on OK if you want. And as you can see, my mouse is set to that buffering icon. If you want, you can go ahead and change to any other icons as well. For example, let's say this one. I'll click on open, click on apply. It will change to that. And by chance, if you want to go back to the default one, just click on use default. And then just click on apply, and it's gonna go back to the default one again. And that's basically it. Then just click on OK and close everything out. And basically, that is how to change your cursor on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.